everyone, I'm Miss Alice, and I work at Learn and Play Montessori School. Due to the shutdown, I am at the Niles campus in Fremont, and I'm here to do a presentation. I hope everyone's staying safe and keeping entertained at home. Here is a presentation on odd and even using the numeral counters. So first, we're gonna put these numbers in order. So we first lay them out randomly on the carpet, and then we're gonna put them in order, starting from left to right. Then we're going to use these numerals counters to put them on the numbers. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the counters are laid underneath the numbers, then you can teach odd and even. So you would have labels. For instance, number 1 has no partner. It's a 2 has a partner. See, 1, 2. So it is even. Number 3 has no partner. It's an odd. Number 4 has a partner. See, partners? So it's even. Number 5 has no partner, so it's an odd. Does number 6 have a partner? Yes, it does, so it's an even. Does number 7 have a partner? No, so it's an odd. Does number 8 have a partner? Yes, it does, so it's an even. Does number 9 have a partner? No, so it's odd. And does number 10 have a partner? Yes, it does. So it's an even.